Okay, be honest. Have you seen these ads for Soviren Dentures popping up on your feed? The one that says no dentist, no glue, looks real, only $34.99? Sounds like a dream if you're missing a few teeth or dealing with crooked spots, right? They claim this thermoreversible material just molds to your mouth like magic. But here is the million-dollar question. Is Soviren a legit confidence booster or just another dropship headache waiting to happen? Let's look at the math. A single plate is $34.99 down from $70. Or you can grab the buy one get one free for the same price. Most popular pick, obviously. They say these are made in the USA and FDA certified. They promise an easy fit for missing, crooked, or even stained teeth. The idea? You heat them up, pop them in, and they seal via suction. No slipping while eating or talking. For $35? That would be a miracle for folks who can't afford a dentist. But here is where the road gets bumpy. Let's talk receipts. When you dig past the fancy website and look at the actual watchdogs. First, ScamAdviser. They ran the domain trysoviren.com through the ringer. The result? A trust score of 35 out of 100. Their label? Likely unsafe. Why? Check the fine print. This domain was registered only 2 weeks ago. Second, Trustpilot. Usually, a brand with 84,000 happy users has thousands of real reviews. Right now? Zero. Nothing. Nada. No rating, no feedback. The only 5-star reviews are living right on the Soviren sales page, which they control. Look, $35 isn't life savings. But a new website selling medical-grade dental gear with zero third-party history? Just be smart. Wait for real people to post video reviews first. If you want to avoid getting scammed by shiny ads, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Product names, logos, and claims are the property of their respective owners. This review is based on publicly available marketing information and is intended to foster informed consumer education.